Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm going to be taking these cable knit placemats that I picked up from the 90% off sale at Hobby Lobby and transforming them into pillows. And let me just tell you, these placemats were very well made. So I wasn't able to take the seam out along the border, so I had to actually cut the material. I'm just gonna glue that back in place because I wasn't able to take the seam out. So I'm gonna be using this buffalo snow that I picked up from Walmart for $2.50 the after Christmas sale, and I'm gonna use it as the stuffing. So you have to think outside the box when you're on a budget and you're doing more important things with your money. So you have to utilize clearance items to create the look you want. So that's what I'm gonna be doing here. And when I pull the snow apart, I always separate it so it won't be so lumpy. And so you just add it in the back side of your placemat. You've seen me, if you've been to my channel for a length of time, you've seen me do this before. So I just really like the look of these placemats. When I originally purchased them, I knew I wasn't gonna use them for a placemat. So I wanted me some pillows. So I think this is a great way to create you a pillow. Even though you see that little seam on the back, but who really looks at the back of a pillow? I'm not concerned with that. So I'm gonna continue stuffing, and I always start at the corners and stuff those real good, and then stuff the remainder of your pillow. So this is what you'll have when you finish a cable knit pillow. Isn't that cute? So you may have a little dry glue. I mean, you don't have to use glue. You can sew it back down if you like. I just chose to do glue. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that dry glue off. But who, like I said earlier, who really looks at the back of a pillow? So if this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am Mrs Vee, and I focus on budget-friendly projects like this, so we can get some of the things we want out of life and utilize our money for more important things like paying off debt. That's what I'm doing with my money. My mission is to show you ways to think outside the box. And when I do my DIY projects, I still want them to look professional. I don't want you to be able to tell that I made this pillow out of a placemat. So I still want to give you quality and at the same time help you save money. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen. And if you know someone who would be interested in doing a project like this, saving money, share it out. And hit that hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload videos. I plan to get on a schedule because I am very busy. I work a full-time job, a part-time job, and I'm married. Got 2 children, 5 grandchildren, family and friends, just like everybody else. So I plan to get on a schedule so that way I can give you more quality content. Now that we have my pillows made, I also picked up the table runner, and it has these pom-poms on the end of it. It has a total of 4. And so guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to take those off and attach those to the pillow. Good idea, right? So I didn't like them on the runner. The runner was $39.99, so I paid like $8 for it. That's a great deal for this nice, well-made table runner. But I'm not going to use it on my table right now. I'm going to show you an alternative way to decorate with these runners. So as I was stating earlier, when you're on a budget and you want to tell your money where to go, you want to come up with different and creative ways to still decorate your home if that's something you're interested in. So you don't have to go out and spend a lot of money decorating your home. You can go to the clearance rack and just alter items like I'm doing here. So that's the type of content that I'll be bringing to you guys. I'll be doing product reviews on items that I think my audience or myself is interested in. So I got all the pom-poms off. There are 4 of them. So I'm going to attach them 2 to each pillow. I just came up with this idea while doing the video. So when you're in survival mode, you'll be amazed at the ideas that will come to you. So I'm gonna go ahead and thank everyone for watching this video, and stay tuned to the end so you can see how I styled everything. And thank you all so much for your support. I'm almost at 3,000 subscribers, which is wonderful. And I really appreciate all the positive feedback I receive on my channel. Remember, it is not unnoticed.